Hey, if you're looking for a really good agility ladder, you got to check this one out. This is a really cool design. It's allowing me to do a lot of plyometrics. Okay, you can set it up any way you want. I've got it going long ways. We can go ahead and set this up side by side. You can use the line, so if I wanted to go inside, outside, like that. Let me show you the design on this. This probably is the best part of this agility ladder. I'm out of breath. The best part is that the design is flat rubber, okay? Look at this, it's flat. And the reason that's important is because on some agility ladders, if you land on the agility ladder, you can roll your ankle or you can trip. This sits flat on the ground, so it eliminates the possibility of tripping. It eliminates rolling your ankle. So if you're not precise in the middle and you happen to land on it, you're gonna be fine. You can see right here, see what I mean? You don't ever have to worry about tripping. So it's really great in that regard. And you get 3 squares. So I could set these side by side if I wanted to, and I could go diagonal, right? Or we could go, or you can go ahead and do traditional, where you're gonna go through fast and like speed run. Easy to clean. They're gonna be waterproof, obviously, because they're rubber. They do give you a carrying case. If you wanna take them with you anywhere, to the local park, anywhere you wanna go work out and set up, this is a fantastic design for all the reasons that I mentioned. So definitely pick it up, check it out. I'm really liking this. I'm gonna be using this in my regular routines. So there you have it. That's my quick review. Thanks for watching.